going down, right? Something for the children.
Everyone having a great time? I got a few responses over here. How about my middle section? Are we all having a great time? How about my far off section on that side? Are we all having a great time? Love it, I love it. Now, I would love to get to know some of my guests.
Dr. Seuss theme.
I would like to get to know some of my guests. Let's see.
Trying to find where we get these bingo cards before they start the game. Okay, I think we found it. Okay, these are the packages. Okay, we're gonna start off with the basic bingo. We get 9 chances to win for $29. We don't win off this, and we'll go up to the next. And we also got the scratch off.
Oh, yes.
I'm looking at the choices and
Excuse me.
is it like blackout? You can just cover everything, or is it just in a line?
Which they have is the
Depends on the game.
deal or no deal cards. You get, it said four for 20.
So it's gonna
And
be
then
get 4 for 20 and get 1 free.
Okay.
So my
It's like get 5 for 20.
Oh my gosh, so you know.
So those are the 2 games we're going to play with. All right, so we'll be back 2:50 for the bingo game. Good afternoon, guys. We're here at having lunch at the window view. At the deep blue sea. This is gorgeous. We're on the 9th level. We call the libido deck. And this is what we are eating. We have salad, rice and peas, jerk chicken, plantain, dumpling.
More drinks, sir? You want something drinks? More?
You guys, the window view. Jerk definitely is spicy. Spicy to you? Or you probably say it ain't hot enough. Spicy enough.
Shit, outra sim. Bude, aqui, outra sim.
We up on the 9th level. I see where how close the water is. Imagine we down on the 1st floor. How close it is. A scary scene, but a nice scene.
I think the food on this ship is good.
The lady in the laundry thing telling me a guy got arrested last night. Yeah, someone got arrested last night, drunk, and pushed this lady. And arrested his ass.
Yeah. You tell the jail the man.
I was telling me, yeah, baby. You know, I'm sure you don't. Somebody's
So
going to cut
Friday,
up.
no, it's like Miami police are come.
Somebody's going to cut up. Back of food. So they got something prepared for them when they do it.
Jamaica guy tell you at the bar. Say them $5 oil and get locked up.
Why would you get on the ship and come and act a fool?
Wow,
Get locked up. Now you still can't enjoy the ship. The crew.
Just drinking.
That just dumb. Really dumb.
Yesterday I see the girl today I have 15 drink package, 15 drink a day. Then I try to finish the 15 drink and then get drunk.
Me and your man, they're on this ship, on the cruise.
But them
Get down
smart.
here, act a fool, and get locked up and still can't enjoy it.
But them smart, you ever then do? Then call somebody to bring them to their room. Huh?
That's just dumb. Someone they gonna keep them locked up till Friday, till we report back to the man. 4 days locked up. That just don't make no sense.
Y'all got a lot of security guards.
You have a lot of what?
Security, like police.
You gonna have to. You gonna have to. People they don't have to act.
You know, within the, so a lot of them like cashies.
They don't know how to go anywhere. Act like that's success. Enjoy themselves. And go home. They just have to act a fool. See, but then they would be wrong if they let him out at the next port with his half on case. And then fend for itself. How you gonna get back home? The carnival would be in the wrong. I don't think they would be in the wrong. So he caused himself for that to happen. You knew before you got on the boat what you expect. What you got at?
Certain
We all
report.
wrong.
Oh yeah. Can I get some water?
Water?
Yeah.
You're out here in the middle of the storm, sea and act a fool. I don't feel the least bit sorry for whoever it is. We all wrong. We all know how to act. We're going somewhere. That's the guy right there from 2 in the laundry thing, the one from Michigan.
Y'all don't know about that.
How you gonna teach your children how to act when you don't know how to act? God knows, I hope you have no children on this cruise with us.
Sign up there to do exam.
Thank you.
Could I get you diamond too?
This is very delicious.
And a starry, please, as well. Yes.
Everything.
Yeah. Somebody bring your. Oh, thank you.
I pray that we have good luck at this bingo game. So we have no luck with the scratch draw. None whatsoever. Not even win $5 for a free ticket. Not nothing.
Chicos.
I'm looking forward to the karaoke. Karaoke competition. Ready to get my laugh on.
Sing.
People trying to sing. Before that girl that was dancing last night, there was that girl that was dancing last night.
White girl.
Dancing all wild.
That's a tag. Man, she broke it down, boy.
Yeah, we didn't record this young lady that was dancing last night. It was something you had to see.
Yeah, they can't stop.
But
10 minutes.
But we didn't record it. I tell you, she was all into the music. She was all into it. We were feeling real good.